everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am decorating my spread for the week. We have December 11th through the 17th. I'm going to do a Rongrong Christmas spread. So I have Merry and Bright. And I think I'll be able to just pull from this book, which will be really nice. So I was thinking of doing more of this like neutral theme because I think it's really pretty. But then there's also these fun ones that are very colorful. I already did this one, or this more traditional one. I think I want to do the neutral one. Yeah, let's do the neutral one. All right, so I have some boxes I can pull. And I'll have this linked down in the description. I think my code has a, or not my code, I think my link has an affiliate. My link has a discount code like when you use it, I think. I think that's how it works with Rongrong. So if you're interested, it should have like an automatic code linked to it. I really like this one. This one's cute. I'm just gonna pull some of these. Some boxes. Oh, there's these two. Oh, this one's so cute with the pattern. Little box, 'tis the season. But these little quote ones are good. And some headers. And some small boxes. Okay, so we go to the decorative stuff. The dog is cute. Okay, I think I'm going to do this one. Oops, that wasn't smart. No. Okay, I need to fix this because I totally messed it up. Okay, I'll fix this in a bit. Okay, I kind of ripped that, but I wasn't planning on using that, so it's okay. All right, I'm gonna do this girl. I'm only gonna add maybe like one or two girls. I think just one actually. I kind of like all the other stuff. This is cute with all the, this is like, what is it called? Ray Dunn. I've never was really in a Ray Dunn, but it's cute. It's got little quotes on it. This. And this little tree is cute. Okay, I feel like I got a lot to work with, so that's good. And then I like that this book has like sections. Oh, there's ornaments. There's like 4 sections. They're all different, which is nice. So you have a good variety from this book. Ornaments. Those are the only ornaments. Okay, so let's get to sticking these down. So I kind of want to stick. I have this weird stain here, so I'm just going to stick this here. I don't have any plans this weekend, which I'm very excited about because I had a busy week recently, and I'm looking forward to having a not super busy week of plans so I can get things done also because I have lots to do. Let's see, I'm gonna stick this up here. And I kind of want to stick this maybe down here. It's like a big piece, but I kind of like it, so I don't really have plans on Thursday, so it's all good. Now the girl, I want to stick her like on the box. I think is cute. trying to map it out on the wax paper first. And stick this here. Might do a little layering of like this. This will be cute. Tree on top. Okay, I like that. So that's what I'm gonna go with. We'll stick her kind of in the middle. That's a good spot for her. And then the tree next to her. Oh, sorry. Whoops, I forgot what I was doing. Let me do that again. I was like, wait, that doesn't look right. That's not what I planned out. Planned this here. But now I need to scoot this all down a little bit more. I didn't put it in the right spot. So, let me just move this down. Give myself some more room. It looks really bad right now, but it's all good. It'll work out. Okay, so got her there, and then I have this 'Tis the Season to sparkle. And then the tree. Okay. I don't know, I kind of like it the way I had it earlier. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay. I wanted to put maybe these down here. Trying to think how I want to do this. I do like this, maybe going this way. And let me stick a box over here for the weekend. We'll do a little header. An important header. I feel like I need something next to this though. Just to, maybe the dog. Let's see how the dog looks next to it. Because the dog is cute. I'll just put the dog there. And then I need something for up here. So okay, I don't want to do that girl. I guess I could do like this. Oh, it doesn't fit. I forgot. These are different. So I'm just going to do a little header here and just keep this as a place to write things down. And maybe I can add something up here. I guess I could have done a quote. You know what? Sorry, I'm going to switch this up. So I'm going to do these leaves right here. Oops. I should do them a little bit higher. Okay, so I got some leaves, and then I can do something decorative here. Let's see. Oh, I got mistletoe. That's cute. I gotta add that somewhere. Well, you know what? I should add this. Sorry, I'm like all over the place, but getting ideas. Just to like kind of go with the Ray Dunn feel look over here too. Okay. And then let's see, maybe a cup. I don't know. I could stick some snowflakes, I guess. Some little snowflakes around the spread. That's cute, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on this side too. I don't know about the dog though. I don't think the dog really, sorry doggy. I don't think you really go. Try to get him off the page without ripping my page too much. Okay, I ripped it a little bit, but I can fix that. Okay, yeah, I feel like it was too cluttered right here, so I'm just gonna forget about the little dog. Let's do a little reminder over here. Okay. Don't think I have enough room for quotes. I do have more of these little snowflakes. Okay, I did pull these. I wanted to put these down. They look like, or they're like little ornaments. So I'm just gonna have these hanging. Make sure they're different lengths. Got this one next here. And let's put this one over here. Okay, we got some ornaments. Have a Merry Christmas, which I don't really think I can fit. Oh, actually, I can layer it this way. I know it's not Christmas this week, but I'm doing all Christmas spreads, so yeah, so they're all Christmas spreads. So good reminder, I need to get on like buying gifts because I haven't bought really anything. I don't know why I'm procrastinating on that, but I have been. And I'm just gonna get a glue stick to fix my little mess up over here. Glue, and that should be good to go. And then I think I want to do a couple more boxes. I got some smaller ones here. Just gonna stick one here. And just stick one here. Okay, the only thing this book doesn't have, which usually Rongrong's books do have like bullet points, but this one doesn't have bullet points. So I think I might have to go into another book for some bullet points. There's a little crooked. Okay, yeah, so I think I might get some more bullet points somewhere else. Oh, actually I wanted to add this washi. It's just a grid washi, but it's that nice like taupey gray color that goes well with this spread. So I'm just gonna add this. And I got this washi, this is from Planything. It's really good. Neutral washi. Okay, here. Oops. I'm like super behind on things, so I'm kind of rushing through. I have like so much to do, and I feel like I don't have enough time to get it done. So yeah, I'm just trying to get everything done. But I feel like I'm rushing too at the same time, which isn't the best, but just trying to get it all done. Okay. Just a little bit of washi. I'm not trying to go like overboard with it, but I do feel like I want a couple of bullet points, maybe like here and here. So I'm gonna go grab another book. I've got Jojo's gray boxes and more, so I should be able to find some gray toned, like this is a good gray to add to this spread. Oh, there's even checklists. I could add checklists, but no, I think I'm just gonna do the bullet points. Okay, so a couple there and a couple here. Should be good. All right, and then I think it looks pretty good. Let me just double check. Got these like little like green pieces. Just trying to see if I should add. Oh geez, I ripped. One thing about these stickers is they do kind of rip easily. I just ripped. I don't know why. I guess I'm not that careful with it. I'm gonna stick this here because I just feel like I need green here. Yeah, I'll just stick that there. Okay, that's gonna be my spread. Looks cute. I think it looks cute. I have more green. Maybe I could stick this in here. Let me cut this actually. I thought I was done, but I'm not done. I just feel like I need more green around the spread, so I'm just gonna add that there. And then I think I'm gonna call it a day with that. All right, so I love that I was able to at least use for the most part, use this book. I only pulled like some washi and then the bullet points from other sources. But for the most part, it is merry and bright. Really pretty sticker book because I love that it has like completely different themes in here. You only have to focus on these few pages, which is really nice. You have to flip through a whole book, which I appreciate. So yeah, pretty neutral Christmas spread. So I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.